Dabur Chyawanprash, Dabur Amla, Dabur Vatika, Real Fruit Juice, Dabur Honey, Dabur Red Toothpaste, Dabur Pudinhara, Dabur Lal Tel, and Hajmola. Friends, I am sure that you must have heard about at least one of the products that you can see on your screen. I am CA Rehman Bhamani, and today we will discuss about the fundamental analysis of Dabur India Limited. So Dabur is one of the India's leading FMCG companies, and it provides personal care and healthcare products. And Dabur is today India's most trusted name and world's largest Ayurvedic and natural care company. Friends, the company's main focus is on Ayurvedic and natural healthcare products. Now let us see about the history of the company. So it is 136-year-old company. It all goes back to 1884 when Dr. S.K. Burman had set up Dabur to produce and dispense Ayurvedic medicines. So Dr. Burman had started in 1884 to provide Ayurvedic medicines to the people. And let us see how the name Dabur is derived. So we just saw Dr. Burman had started in 1884. The name Dabur came from Dr. Burman. How? We will see that. The doctor is known as Doctor in Devanagari script. So the D.A. Da of Doctor became D.A. Da of Dabur. And B.U.R. Bur of Burman came to make Dabur. D.A.B.U.R. Dabur. So this is how the name Dabur came into existence. Friends, if you didn't know about how the name was derived and you came to know about this for the first time, do consider to hit the like button and do let me know in the comment section. So this is the family tree of Burman family. This is Dr. S.K. Burman who had started Dabur, and now after 1, 2, 3, 4th generation, the 4th generation is managing the company now. So Mr. Amit Burman is the chairman of the company and Mr. Mohit Burman is the vice chairman of the company. Friends, I know it is little bit compressed because it was not getting fit on this page. If you want, you can check on the Dabur's website. So Dabur has manufacturing presence in 9 countries and its products are sold in more than 100 countries. And it has 7,740 employees globally, and around 28.2% of the revenues comes from international business. 8 international manufacturing locations. So Dabur has 8 international manufacturing locations. Which are those? Let's see. It's in Nepal, it's in Turkey, it's in UAE, it's in Egypt, it's in Bangladesh, it's in Nigeria, it's in Sri Lanka, and it's in South Africa. Top 5 overseas countries by revenue. So Egypt is the top, then Saudi Arabia, then USA, then Turkey, and then Nepal. Power brand strategy. So Dabur has more than 250 products in its portfolio, out of which the company has identified 9 brands that generate almost 70% of the sales for the company. So now what the company is doing is, so they are focusing more on this 9 brands to increase the sales of the company. So which are those products? Let's see. Number 1 is Dabur Chyawanprash, then Dabur Honey, then Dabur Lal Tel, then Dabur Honitus, Dabur Pudinhara, Dabur Red Paste, Dabur Amla Hair Oil, Vatika, and Real Fruit Juice. So these are the 9 brands which gives more than 70% sales to the company. And now the company has come up with the power brand strategy in which they are going to focus on these 9 products to increase the sales of the company. Friends, I am not making this up. This has been taken from latest annual report which was of financial year 1920. Friends, let us see the shareholding pattern of Dabur India Limited. The promoters are holding 67.38% share in the company. Mutual funds are holding 2.57% share in the company. FII are holding 19.77% share, and public is holding just 7.5% share, and others are holding 2.8% share in the company. Here you can see that the promoters holding is almost stable. In March 2019 it was 67.9%, and then it is still 67.38% as on March 2021. Here you can see that mutual fund holdings has reduced little bit. In March 2019, mutual funds were holding 3.83% share in Dabur India Limited, but slowly it has reduced, and now in March 2021 it was 2.57% share in the company. And on the contrary, FII, which were earlier holding 18.21% share in March 2019, is now holding 19.77% share in the company as on March 2021. Let us also see the income statement. First, we will see it on quarterly basis. We will see of last 5 quarters: March 2020, June 2020, September 2020, December 2020, and March 2021. So March 2020, when the COVID situation just had started, the sales has dropped to 1865. Friends, all these figures are in crores of rupees. So it is 1865 in March 2020 quarter. Then in June quarter it was increased little bit and came to 1979, and then 2516 in September and 2728 in December quarter, and then it had again dropped in March 2021 owing to the second wave of COVID. It had come down to 2336. Coming to the profits figure, we can see the same trend. It was 281, then 341, 483, 493. It was increasing steadily, and then in March 2021, because of the second wave of COVID, it had dropped to 377. And here the interest components are very less. It is in the range of 6, 7 and 8 crores per quarter. Let us also see the yearly figures. We will see of last 5 years, starting with 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021. So you can see the sales has increased consistently over last 5 years. 7613, 7721, 8514, 8684 and 9561. In the recent year, we can see here it was almost a 10% increase in the sales. If we talk about profits, the profit were also continuously increasing from 1280, 1357, 1445, 1447 and 1695. So if we compare the last 2 years, there was an increase of 17% in net profit of the company. Let us also check the profit margins of the company. The net profits of the company after deducting all the expenses is in the range of 16 to 17%. You can see it was 16, 17, 16, 17, 16, 17. It is in the range of 16 to 17%, which is very good. So the net profit margin is also stable for the last 5 years. The company's gross profit margin is also in the range of 23 to 24%. So it is very stable company. Let us also see the return on equity. So the return on equity is dropping little bit every year. From 26 it came down to 23.73, then 25.61, then 21.87, and then in this current year it has shown a little improvement and it came to 22.09. Still 22 is a very good number if you consider the stability with which the company is moving. So we will also see the earning per share on one share, how much the company is making. So it was 7.25 rupees in 2017, then it increased to 7.69 in 2018, then 18.17 in 2019, 18.18 in 2020, and 9.58 in 2021. So it is consistently improving. You can see the company is growing every year little by little. It is not that it is growing at a very fast pace, but it is still improving at a slow pace. Currently, while I am recording this video, Dabur India Limited closed at 525.45 and the market cap is 92869 crores and the PE ratio is 54.85 as against the industry PE of 68.85. The book value per share currently is 46.96. Friends, there are two rules of Warren Buffett. Rule number 1, never lose money, and rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. So Mr. Warren Buffett had said these two rules, and if we go by these two rules, then Dabur India Limited is the safest bet with regards to safety of capital. Though I understand that the company won't give you very big returns, but it is very stable company and you can expect near about 10 to 12% return every year. And this company is for the long term investment, say for 5 to 10 years. Friends, if you like my video and if you have learned anything new from this video, do hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the future notifications of my videos. Thank you.